Hello everybody. This is episode 3 for my scratch. In this episode we are going to learn the category of looks. Last episode we learned the category of motion. In case you haven't watched that, you can watch that later. Or you can watch that even now. So this is say hello for 2 seconds. Say hello for 2 seconds. Say hello for 2 seconds is the sprite will say hello for 2 seconds. You can increase the time if you want. I'll set it for 5 seconds. So we'll say hello for 5 seconds. You can even type whatever you want. This is say hello. It's just like say hello for 2 seconds, but it will infinitely say hello. It will infinitely say what you typed. It will say infinitely. This is think for 2 seconds. The sprite will think for 2 seconds. Like the sprite will think what to do. Like you can do what, like you can type what should I do. The difference between say hello and think is that you can see the dots. There's no dots, and you see the dots. So, and this is think it's like say hello, but it's thinking. Switch costume to costume 2. The sprite can switch costumes. The sprite can switch costumes. In the sprite, there's 2 costumes. So it's costume 1. So when flag clicked, the sprite will change to costume 2. This is next costume. Just like switch costume, but you don't have to select. You'll go to the next costume. Like if it's costume 2, it will go to costume 1. If there's one more, costume 2 to go to costume 3. After the last one, it will repeat in a loop and it started costume 1 again. This is switch backdrop to backdrop 1. In this I only have one backdrop, so make a backdrop. So, and a switch backdrop. Switch backdrop. It will switch backdrop to 1. This is 1. Switch backdrop to beach. Then switch backdrop to the beach. I forgot to tell you in switch cost. Okay. I forgot to tell you in backdrop. From there only you can click next backdrop, previous backdrop, or random backdrop. So, next backdrop you can choose this block or this block. A next backdrop just like next costume, but in a backdrop. This is change size by 10. If this is 90, then if I run this, it no, this if the size was if the size was 100, then it will make the size 10% bigger. If you want it to be increased, then you can change it to 20 or a higher number. So this is set size to 100. It's just like change size, but it's setting like set size to 100. It's already 100, so I'll make it 40, and it's 40. So this is change color effect by 25. You can change color, fisheye world. It's like different filters. If I change brightness effect, it will make it more bright. It will make it more bright. Anyways, you can do more with this, like color effect. It will change the color effect by 25. Or you can even make this cool animation with forever. When I click the flag, it will make a rainbow cat. Anyways, this is set color effect. Just like this, change size by 10. It's set size, like it's like set. It's not change. You want this color effect to be added more by 25. Like if it's example, it's 50, then 50 plus 25, it's equal to 75. So it's like that. If it was 50, it will go to 75, and so on. Set color effect is like it will set. It will like imagine it's 50. Then if I do 60, it will not do 60 plus 50. You just set it to 60. This is clear graphic effects. It will clear all the graphic effects. You clear this, you clear this, it will clear everything. And this is show. See, now the character is hidden. Now if I wanted to show, I will click the flag and it will show. Just like show, but this is hide. If it's already showing and I wanted to hide it, I'll make it disappear. This is go to front layer. It will go to the front layer. I'll make another sprite. I'll make an apple. So here, if the apple is if the apple is in front of the cat and you wanted the cat to go in front of the apple, you have to make this code. Go to front layer or back layer. Anything if you want. Go forward 1 layers. Just like go to front layer. Go to front layer is like going to the front layer. And go forward 1 layer means it might be or might not go to the front layer because there's 2 layers. The apple is in the back layer and the sprite is in the front layer. So I choose another sprite. Now there's 3 layers. You can see the back one, the middle one, and the front one. So if it goes, wait. Now the apple is in the second one. If I do go forward 1 layers, it'll go to the second one, but a basketball is still there. So if I do this, then you'll be in the front. This is costume number. Costume number, you can add it like anywhere. Like I told you in motion last episode, exposition, like saying exposition. You don't when you're changing it, like 78, negative 78. You don't have to put negative 68 like this. Because when it's negative 68 like this, and the sprite is moving, it'll be wrong. It'll be wrong. So just like that, you can change it not only costume number and costume name also. So say hello, costume name. Just say the costume name. Wait. Costume doesn't have a name. And when the flag's clicked, it'll say cat 1. Now if I put cat 1 2 3 and click the flag, it'll be cat 1 2 3. Where was I? Oh. This backdrop number, just like costume number but the backdrop number name. This is size. We'll say the size like backdrop number and costume number. That's it for today's video. Also, if you haven't saw the last episode or the first episode, please watch it, then only you'll understand this one. Bye.